It's time for a quick update on the software business, how things are going at Swattage in general, what's going on, there's a lot going on, and what's coming up. What's good, softwarepreneurs? Welcome back to Swattage, the Software Innovation Lab. If you're new here, my name is Dale Richards. I'm a software innovator from Salt Lake City, Utah, and I love building software that changes the world. I'm creating a SaaS product from concept to cash, and I'm taking you with me for the ride. If you want to change the world, build apps, grow your SaaS business, and make money doing cool software entrepreneur-related stuff, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell. Okay, everyone. Truth comes out. There's a lot going on right now. I want to give you a quick update on all the things that are going on at Swattage and also what's coming up here on the channel so you can kind of know what to expect. I've been super busy. You can kind of see my office is messy. I'm kind of in flow. I'm working on a lot of stuff right now. The big things are that I'm launching an affiliate sales program. So I've been working with a marketing expert on setting that up, creating video assets for that. You probably have seen some of them on the channel already. And then also there's a new website at swattage.com. So you can go check out some of the new content that's there. So there's a separate page for SaaS companies and that want information about our software development, staff augmentation services. And then also there's some of the content that was there previously for softwarepreneurs. There's a new affiliate page, and there's also a new careers page. So for software developers and UX designers that are looking for work, you can check out some of the vacancies that are there. All right, so that's all very, very exciting. It's just been taking a lot of my time away from the channel and specifically from the dental app that we've been talking about. So let's have a quick update on that. If you remember, I did some really cool interviews last summer, or this summer. So in July, I interviewed an administrator from MTech, Mountain Land Technical College, and also one of their dental assistant program instructors. And I sat on that footage for, well, until today. So I've just finished editing that footage. I'm exporting it right now. I'm sending it to the college for their approval. Once I have their approval, then I'll be publishing it here to the channel. So you can see some examples of some additional user interviews, user research interviews. So that's going on. The interviews are kind of long. They're about half an hour a piece. I am going to post the full interviews on the channel so you can reference them if you want. But then I'm also going to take certain sections of them and highlight, what happened here, what did I learn, and what does that mean for the app going forward. Where we need to get to is to say, okay, we've learned enough, we've validated enough of our concept. So now here are the user stories, here's the user story map, and then here are the wireframes and mockups. So our next step after publishing and sharing some of these videos and kind of discussing the user research is to get the stories, wireframes, and mockups so that we can start getting into back to the college and saying, hey, this is what we're building. Is this of value? Doing some additional validation and tweaking there, but with the actual mockups in front of us. So that will be a lot of fun. So I'm really looking forward to that. What else is going on? There is an event on Friday. That's the day after tomorrow that I'm speaking at. It's put on by good firms. It's called GFiT 2020. So it's like an IT online summit. I'm speaking there about user story, about user validation. And conducting those interviews. So a lot of the content that we've been discussing on the channel. So if you want an opportunity to interact and to kind of participate in the group online, I will put the link to that talk in the description below, as well as the link to the rest of the talks in that conference. Really cool event. I would check it out. There's lots of other cool speakers. A lot of them are co-founders or founders and CEOs kind of like me. So they're doing some really cool things in the tech space. So I'll put that link below. Is that everything? Interviews, the GFiT event, the affiliate program, the new website. So isn't that enough? Anyway, lots going. Oh yeah. So the last thing is that one thing that's been taking a lot of my time is that I'm working on staffing this client engagement with several developers. And I also had 3 clients go into UX design last week. So I've got like big clients, and I've got a bunch of like smaller clients, and I'm getting them all moving, and so that's really, really exciting. I'm starting to see some of their wireframes and mockups come back, so that's really cool to see those apps come to life. So there's lots going on. I would say I apologize, but it actually is all really good. You know, it's exciting. But there is more content specifically about what's going on with my app, so that you don't have to be wondering like, hey, what happened to that app? I know that you guys like how-tos and you love app ideas and stuff, but I think you also want to see what I'm doing with the app that we're building as well. Lots going on at Swattage, the Software Innovation Lab. Make sure that you subscribe, and we will see you soon. Join us again. Videos are published every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12 noon Mountain Time.